Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Webull application using your smartphone. To enable dark mode in Webull, first of all, launch open the Webull application on your device and from the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the menu icon. Underneath the menu icon, you will see shortcuts from where you'll need to tap settings. Under settings, select theme. On the next page, choose dark or black according to your preference. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your Webull application's interface to a dark color or theme. So that is how it's super easily done. If you want the light mode back again, you can repeat the same step and choose bright. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.